Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I go to show the easy way to have 3 virtual machines with Ubuntu server. All the commands will be in my blog post. Let's start. Okay, I'm in my virtual box in here. First thing you need to check the network. So let's go in here in the settings, check network. Normally they have net here, so you change for bridge adapter and okay. After that, you need to go to the machine. So my username, my password, and now just okay. And when you see here, that's the UB my IP 19.168.1.191. So that is my control plan. So go to the terminal. So yes, and password. Okay, I have my control plane. Good. So you need to do that for the 3 machines. After that, you need to take the snapshot for every single machine. So you can go to this window, click in take, and put in the name for the snapshot and okay. So they will create a snapshot for your machine. If anything go wrong, my work one will be this IP 190. So I go in here 190. 90, yes, and one. Okay, I have my work one. Okay, let's try to see the IP for worker 2. Put in my username, password. Okay, IP A, and the IP for this machine is will be 192. So let's go back to the terminal. So 192. Yes, and one. Okay, so we have the 3 machines. I SSH the 3 machines. So now I need the update and upgrade the packet. So let me paste this in here. Put in my sudo password. Put in my sudo password. Put in my sudo password. Here. So you go to do this process for the 3 machines. So that will take a little time. When you finish, I'll come back. Okay, they finish the update and upgrade. So you need to take out the swap for the 3 machines. And you need to type this command sudo swap off -a and enter here. And after that, you need to delete in the etc ftab the swap folder. So let's do that with this command here. So in the 3 machines, done, done. So next step, you need to take the load. You need to load the kernel modules. So uh, first one. After that, you need to use the other command for net filter. Okay, and here. So the next step, you need to put it some parameters for the network for Kubernetes. Put in here. It's for Kubernetes network. So I go to copy this command in here, paste in here, paste in here, paste in here. And after that, you need to do that for omit this change. clean, clean, and clean. After that, you need to install some requirements package. So let's start one here, here, one here. Done, done, and done. You need to add the packages for containerd. Okay, I added the repositories now. Enter, enter. So you need to update the package. Okay, you update on the package. Now you can install containerd on the machines. After that, you need to configure the containerd and restart the service. So you need to create this file with these informations for containerd, and after that you need to restart the service with this command. Oh, now we need to restart the containerd. Sudo system on, let's restart. So you restart, and let's enable that for when you reboot the machine, you have this service still running. Okay, now let's download the key for the Kubernetes package, and I added this in the package for us. Now let's add this in the repository. I added this in the repository. Enter, enter. Now we have the upgrade the package. So you just insert the Kubernetes package. And now let's install Kubernetes in the three machines. kubectl, kubeadmin equal to control. The three packages for Kubernetes. Okay, they finished the install the Kubernetes. So now let's mark for now upgrade this package for now. So you can have a stable version for Kubernetes, and when you do apt get update, that's the update to Kubernetes and you don't have the stable version. So next thing you need to sudo kubeadmin init. So this command you just need to use that in the control plane. That's go to configure initiation Kubernetes in the control plane. So enter. So they will go to download the images for all the pods you need to in Kubernetes and make the installation for control plane. So that's take a little time. When finished, I come back. Okay, they finished right now. So first thing, let's create our file for you have the configuration. So you can access the Kubernetes cluster. So use these three commands they show us in the terminal. So now if you kubectl get nodes, you can see the control plane is in here and working fine. So in before I enjoy the clusters, let me install Calico for be the network for us. Okay, now I have Calico. So you've done in the control plane. So now you just need to copy these commands for join for the for the workers. You need to add the workers now. So you need to use a sudo paste. So the same thing for work two. Done. So you can see they enjoy the cluster now. And now you can close the workers and another work. Close this terminal in here. Okay, I close the terminals. So if you go kubectl catch nodes, you have the three nodes: control plan, work, and work two. The work one, the work two is not ready yet. So let's give them a little more time for they be ready. So now they're ready. Okay, let's go to create our first pod on kubectl run. Put a name for the pod. I put the nginx, and I use the imaging equals nginx. Okay, it's great. So kubectl get pod. Let's create the pod. Okay, the pod's up and running. So that's it. That's the easy way how to install Kubernetes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for this channel. And I see you in the next one.